Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide number when calling someone. Now you should use this if you don't want someone to note your number when calling. Also, if someone blocks your number from calling them, you can still reach them through this by hiding your number. You can achieve this in two ways. Now follow these steps. Go to settings on your phone and then search for caller ID. Caller ID. So you can see over here caller ID, so click on it. Now click on caller ID again and then set it to hide number. Now this way, whenever you call someone, it will show private number instead of your number. So if someone blocks your number and you're unable to contact them, once you do this, you will be able to contact them. If you're unable to access caller ID through this method, then follow the second step. Now open your phone dialer app and then go to settings by clicking on this icon. Now it may vary depending on the phone you're using. So for me, I will click on this three dot icon at the top right corner. Settings. Now click on calling accounts. Advanced settings. Click on advanced settings. Okay, so you can see caller ID here again. So click on caller ID and then set it to hide number. Now you should use this if you're unable to search and locate caller ID through your settings. So now let's give this a go and try this out.